Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a first impressions full face. Almost. I didn't get like new stuff for the whole face, but mostly. So, you're going to dig into this bag. Goodies. And get going. So, before we get going, don't forget to subscribe. All you have to do is click that red button down there, hit the bell for the notification, hit the like button, give it a thumbs up if you like what you're watching, and let's get going. Okay? So, let's see what we have in this bag to get started with. I didn't get a new primer, so let's dig into an old primer. And on top of that, I have not unpacked from going to Miami and California. So, we are not going to be necessarily using tried and trues. Maybe we'll pick up some old but goodies from the stash. Okay? Okay. I'm going to use my Cover FX mattifying primer in like the T-zone area where I'm super oily. And I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish primer because it's got the hyaluronic acid for the parts on the outside where I'm super duper dry all the time. Okay, so I also got these two Becca products that I'm super excited to use. This one is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector for light to medium. And this one is the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. And they both are a little bit different. One is more of like a hydrating primer for your under eye. This part here like this. Blue. And this one's more of like a brightening corrector. I know it's really hard to tell on camera, but I swear in person, right here has been getting really dark like in the morning when I wake up. And this is at the like towards the middle of my day, so it's a little bit different, but this is that one. A little peachy. Smells good. So let's try the brightening one today. So far, it's very light, and you can already tell the difference, how much it's bringing lightness, and you can see how dark it is in there, and it doesn't look the same on that side. Okay, to me, that's like a wow, boom, big, huge difference. My eyes look so much brighter, and I mean, this is a little bit of like a oilier substance, so it's definitely reflecting that light, but that is like just a big huge difference for me. That's a win for me. Okay, so then I got three different, oops, that's a hair. I got three different foundations that I want to try out. This one's been around for a while. This is the Born This Way by Too Faced. This one has also been around for somewhat a while. This is the NARS, which one did I get? The Sheer Glow Foundation, which is supposed to be a little bit more lightweight, but it came out a little bit thicker than I thought, so we'll see. And then the Cover FX Power Play, which is somewhat new to the game. So I was definitely intrigued by this one, and I just had to get it. So I'm thinking that today we're going to play with the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation and just give that a go and see how it's going to be. See if I even got the right color. Let's just see. It had such a smaller color range than the new NARS foundation that's out. So, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to pour a little bit of this out onto my tray. So I don't have to use the back of my hand. I'm not sure this is going to be my color, but we'll see. I'm just loving how bright my under eyes are looking. Okay. Okay, so we want to be a little yellow. That's okay. For future reference, I will be mixing it with another foundation. It is not near as thick as it was when I pumped it out at the Sephora. So maybe that one had just been sitting there for a while and it got really thick, or had gotten a lot of air to it and just got gross. I don't know. This is definitely way more sheer than it was in the store, and I like that. That was definitely what I was going for with this. Feels very weightless. Okay, so it feels very light. I'm getting good coverage. You can still see a little bit of that redness right here, so, and I'm honestly okay with that. Like, this is supposed to be a sheer glow coverage. Like, I feel glowy. It's not too matte. This is doing what it says it was supposed to do, so I'm not let down by that. Obviously, that the wear test throughout the day or the rest of the day will be the test, but next I got new concealer, the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, which apparently was out before and they maybe reformulated it. I'm not sure. I didn't have it before, so we're going to try it this time. I got two colors, which is medium honey and light medium sand, so this one's for like now, for when you want that like lighter area, and this one is for more like when I'm more tan, or like when I just want to conceal, like my actual color. So let's get this one out. And I crease right here. Really easy. So we'll see if it's creaseless. It's very thick. Very thick. I like how the tube is like the NARS tube. Very thin. It's that tart shaped tube with a thick little bottle. I don't think I'm creasing. Oh, kind of, yeah. I don't know. It's a lot less than most of my other concealers. I'll give it that. Okay, next for face powder. I got the new Huda Beauty Easy Bake. Easy Bake Oven. Oh, look at that. It like opens up. That is so cool. I got it in color Banana Bread. Freshly baked. Oh, it's like the mesh. Oh, this is perfect. Okay. It has a scent to it, just like her foundation did. And that is the sole reason why I returned her foundation, because it literally smelled like perfume. And I know you don't want your foundation to smell like makeup, like chemicals and stuff, but I don't want my foundation to give me a headache from smelling like perfume. Plus you spray perfume and then that mixes. I don't know. It's not my cup of tea, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going to go ahead and just do my brows real quick. I had to re-up on my Brow Wiz in taupe, and so it's nothing new. Once you find like a tried and true brow product, I say stick with it. So I'm going to do these bad boys and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. All right, so I can definitely say that this is not a creaseless concealer, but I still like it. I don't know. Anyway, moving on. So I've picked up, not from Sephora, I think I ordered it from Nordstrom. But anyway, I got the Aaliyah collection with MAC. I got the bronzer. So we are going to get that out. And this is not a totally matte bronzer. If you, if you can see, it has like some shimmer flecks in it, glitter flecks in it. Really pretty. And I like how it has like her signature through it, even though it's gonna get brushed away. It's a really, really pretty color on the skin too. And I'm pretty fair right now. For me anyway. So I don't have a new blush right now, and my favorites are packed away. So I'm going to pull out an old one, which is the new Morphe blushes. And it's kind of cracked, but, you know, broken transit. But I'm going to use the middle Creator. Oh, and it's from the Blush Trio Pop of Peach. And I believe they're only like $8, maybe $12, and you get all 3 of these. One of them's a shimmer. No, I think they're 2. 2 of these are shimmer. So you can use it as like a blush highlighter duo. So you get like more of a subtle glow and you still get your blush. I like blush and highlighter to be separate, so I do them separate, but I have used them. This is the one that cracked. It's really pretty. Okay, and I also don't have a new palette that I got when I did this haul, but Cat's Pajamas from Laura Lee Los Angeles is new to me. So I've only used it once, and I'm just going to go into a very light look so that we can move along with these products. I'm going to go in on a Morphe R37, and I'm going to take this color right here in the middle, which is Bomb Diggity. Maybe I'll do a wear test, so I'll come back on camera later after I've, like, gone to the doctor's, picked up my son, done dinner, went grocery shopping, you know, been out in, like, the heat and humidity that it is out here, and then we'll see what it looks like then. We'll see if I can do that. If I can't, then I'm going to cut this part out, and you guys are never going to know about it. We'll see. Alright, so I'm going to go in on a smaller brush, which is going to be a Morphe M513, and I'm going to take this in the color right next to it, which is Cray Cray. I love the name of this palette, Cat's Pajamas. Like, it's the Cat's Pajamas. So it is the Cat's Pajamas. Like, you could make so many looks with this. 2 new liners. 2 different reasons. I got the Fenty by Rihanna Fly Liner. Is that what it's called? 'Cause I'm black. Okay. So, on camera, the outcome is great. Couple of things where I'm not thrilled about this liner. I'm used to the Kat Von D liner in, I actually can't remember what it's called. I just know it's in the color is like Trupa Black or whatever. Well, this one is too, but this is not the liner. But her pen liner is like black. And this is a little bit, it's black, but it's more of like a opaque black. Like, you have to put it on a couple times. Like, it's still, you can see it's a little see-through still on the ends because I haven't gone over it like a second or third time. The end is, I'm not gonna, well, I will. The end is a little bit more flimsy, like, just bends. And her, Kat Von D's is not. I like it. I don't love it. So, I don't know. I would have to try it again, like on something else. So it's potentially going back in the box. I don't know. And because I have hooded eyes and this part of my eye will touch this top part of my eye, we'll see how it wears throughout the day because it might come off on the top of my lid even with eyeshadow on. So we'll see about that too. Next thing that I got was the Kat Von D Lash Liner. And I was so interested in this because I've been, like, only using the Marc Jacobs one. Like, the gel crayon that you just kind of put in your waterlines. And this is supposed to be, like, waterproof for the, or not waterproof, but meant for the inner waterline. And very interesting. Like, look at this little thing. I just love her packaging. That woman is so innovative. I love Kat Von D. Ooh, it's like a... It's a very interesting, like, very interesting product. I don't know what I think of it. It feels weird at first. Okay, so in that fast forward, wiped it off. I redid the foundation and I redid the baking in that area. See how that goes. I'm just gonna curl these bad boys real quick. Another trick, I just don't have one lying around right now. I like to take a lighter and just kind of like to my eyelash curler and make it a little bit warm. It's almost like a curling iron for your lashes if you think about it. And then curl your lashes. Don't do it when it's like freaking hot, but like get it warm or like even get it hot and then let it cool down just for a second and then curl it. Let it cool, or let your eyelashes cool, and then go in with your mascara. These Tarteist Pro lashes in Goddess, these are my favorite lashes. They're not too much, they're not too little, they're just enough. They give you that little bit of ba ba boom. I love them. And I gave them away at the Bachelorette and that I went to in Austin, and I just re-upped on them. I keep losing them. I got more for Miami and I lost them. I always have to keep some. So these are in the style Goddess if you want to try them. They may look like a lot. It's hard to see, huh? They may look like a lot, but I swear to you, they are not a lot. Okay? Then next I'm going to go with a lippy. I got the Patrick Starr matte collection for his summer collection, was it? I think it was. And I got some of his lippies, and those are new and I love them. But these are also new for me. The Bare Minerals Gen Nude. It doesn't say which ones they are because they have a couple different kinds. No, I'm going to use Bay. These are just perfect. And this is the You're Doing Great Sweetie palette, the pressed powder. And so I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use It's Snowing, this one, It's Snowing Pussy Willows. I guess that's a saying for her. That's what I'm going to use. And it's not the same consistency as her other, her wet palette. Yeah, it's not the same. Sad story for that. Mine broke. Thank you, TSA. Very sad day. Look at that. There's glass in there. So I can't even use it anymore, but I'm just too upset to let it go. Do a little sprit with my MAC Fix Plus Gold Light for some extra glow. Oh, it's breaking. By the way, Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay. Now, just to empty the bag, I got this Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I heard really good things about it. One of my friends, Nika, told me that I should get it, and I wanted to try a cleansing balm, but didn't know which one to try. This one is considered clean beauty, and it's the Best of Allure 2017, so I had to try it. We'll see how that goes. And then I am breaking into Sunday Riley. These are pricey. So this is the Luna Sleeping Oil. So cute. This one has lactic acid in it. If anybody's looking for anything with that, this is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans. I have a current skincare routine down in my channel. I will be doing an updated skincare routine that will include a bunch of new things that I have found, like Ole Henriksen. And with that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul slash new products slash some old products. Don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends, like it, give us a comment if you want. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.